Today, we are interviewing Dr. Cooper. We're here to learn how the changing shape of information has affected his workplace.
I am excited you're here, Samantha.
So am I. So, Dr. Cooper, what are some ways you use uploading in your office?
Well, we doctors use the internet for a variety of things. Sometimes we search for information from medical journals online.
Why would you do that?
It is a faster way to do our research, and a faster way to inform our patients of new or current treatments and cures.
So informing the people on how to deal with their problems has become simpler?
Very much so.
Okay, so, what else do you use the internet for?
Well, if we struggle to find the problem in something, like an X-ray, we can post it on a blog for other doctors to look at it.
Really? How does that work?
It is a very simple process. You take a picture of the X-ray and upload it to a blog with what you think the problem is. Other doctors look at it and tell you if they agree or not. It's an easy way to contact specialists.
Oh, wow. Sounds amazing. So the changing shape of information has really made your profession just a little bit easier.
Yes it has. My job has been shaped by uploading, and the internet itself.
All right, Dr. Cooper, one last question.
What is it, Samantha?
Why is there a guy on the operating table?
I'm not sure, but it added a sense of humor to our interview.
All right, Dr. Cooper, thank you so much for your time. Now we go live to Dr. Blank for a demonstration of these practices. Thank you, Dr. Blank. That's it for this interview. Thanks for watching.